Hello and welcome back once again to the channel. In case you're new here, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. Now in this video, I'm going to be sharing you my top best serums for a glowing skin. Yes, serums for all different kind of skin types or different skin concerns that will help you give you that, that glow that you want. Whether you're somebody who has an oily skin or you're just prone to having breakouts which leaves you with hyperpigmentation or dark spots, this video has got you covered. In this video, I'm going to share with you my best serums that will definitely help you, give you that glowing skin, that dewy glowing skin that you really want to achieve. So if you have a dry skin, you're first going to look out for serums like hyaluronic acid. Why hyaluronic acid? Hyaluronic acid helps put in moisture into your skin. It keeps your skin plump and hydrated. So an oily skin, you need to look out for serums that contain niacinamide or niacinamide product. Why? Because it's going to help control your oil production or your sebum production. Yes, please make sure you watch this video till the end because I'm going to share with you particular serums. Yes, I'm going to talk about the brands of serums you should definitely look into or have in mind when you're going to your skincare supply store. So it's not just about mentioning kinds of serum. I'm going to be specific. I'm going to call the brand names, the ones that are my favorite or my best so far. So stay tuned. So keep on watching and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Now if you have a dull skin, which means you are affected with hyperpigmentation or dark spots, look out for serums that contain vitamin C, which are good for brightening and reducing hyperpigmentation. Now, if you're somebody whose skincare concern is aging, your skin is aging, or you're below your 40s, 50s, and 60s, and you're wondering if I have this concern for my skin, if my skin is aging, what kind of products or serums should I use? Now, you should look out for products with retinol inside. Yes. Retinol is good because it's going to help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It helps your skin produce its own natural collagen. Isn't that nice? Now, with all that information out of the way, let's dive right into the serums I would definitely suggest you try out. These are my top 3 serums, not just the serums, but as well the brands to look out for. I hope you get that. So number 1 is vitamin C serums. Vitamin C serums are good. Why are they good? They reduce dark spots. They help with pigmentation. They overall generally brighten your skin and they give you that glow. Especially if you choose a good brand. If you try a good brand. It's not every vitamin C brand out there is good though. Hear me and hear me very well. So vitamin C is best used in the morning because of its antioxidant properties. But don't forget to always pair it with your SPF, your sunscreen. Next on my list is niacinamide is good because it reduces redness and irritation. It is also called vitamin B3 and it evens out your skin. Now, I am going to start mentioning the brands for vitamin C, the brands for niacinamide, and the brand for hyaluronic and the brands for hyaluronic acid serum. So don't skip away. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you're getting value from this content. Make sure you subscribe down below and leave a comment if you have questions. Have you ever tried any serum out from what I have been mentioning so far? Please leave it down the comment section. I would love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get into my top brands for vitamin C. Alright, so this is where we are right now. Let's talk about these serums specifically. My favorite serums of all time in regards to vitamin C has been from this brand, The Ordinary. The product has been nice. This one contains alpha arbutin and I've used it a lot. I've reviewed it and I'm still currently on it. The thing there is, if you get the fake products, the duplicate products, it may not actually work for you. So if you can get your products from a good skincare vendor or a good skincare supply store, make sure you're getting original products, not duplicates, not fakes. The Ordinary vitamin C with alpha arbutin, I have reviewed it on my channel, is one of the best so far in regards to vitamin C. The next on my list for vitamin C serums are The Balance Vitamin C Serum. This is another vitamin C serum that I suggest you try out. The Jumiso Vitamin C Serum. This is another one that I suggest you try out. The Timeless Vitamin C Serum. This is the Ogbonge of all bonges. I hope that makes sense. Now, a lot of skincare gurus, beauty gurus have been hopping on the Timeless Vitamin C Serum. And guess what? It is 100% effective. Next vitamin C on the list is the Garnier Vitamin C. This one contains quite a lot of other ingredients, niacinamide and salicylic acid. Now, in case you have an oily skin, not just an oily skin, somebody who is acne prone, this is the vitamin C you should definitely try out, okay? Have you tried it out? Leave a comment down below. I would really love to hear what you have to say. We have the La Roche-Posay Vitamin C Serum. We have the Paula's Choice Vitamin C Serum. These are amazing serums. We have the Good Molecules. Check it out. Amazing. Now, diving right into the hyaluronic acid serum section. Number one on the list of hyaluronic acid brands to try out is Hydro Boost Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Serum, Roche-Posay Serum Hyaluronic Acid Serum, the Inky List Hyaluronic Acid Serum, Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This one is from the affordable section. If you know you don't have money to get all those expensive ones, you can try the Good Molecules. We have the ordinary hyaluronic acid with vitamin C? The ordinary hyaluronic acid with alpha abutane. I have used that. I've talked about it here on my channel. I've done a specific review on it. Check it out. I'll leave the link down below. The last but not the least, I don't know why I almost beat my tongue by saying that, the SkinCeuticals. Yes, vitamin C hyaluronic acid serum. That is also nice for you with a whole lot of other ingredients packed in it. There are plenty vitamin C serums, but these ones I'm just mentioning now are the ones that I know that are highly effective. The brands for vitamin C, the brands for hyaluronic acid. Now let me mention brands for niacinamide. Yes, niacinamide serum for you. Number one brand on the list for niacinamide serum is Molecules Niacinamide Serum 10%. Yes. Now, if you're somebody who likes doing skincare on a budget, this one's for you. Niacinamide serum I have, number one is the ordinary zinc and vitamin C. Why is vitamin C always entering my mouth? Like, please, can somebody tell me? The Beauty of Joseon Glow Serum, which contains a whole lot of other sweet ingredients but repairs your skin. The next one on the list is the Inky List Serum, Niacinamide Serum. Last but not the least for my niacinamide collection list is the Paula's Choice Niacinamide Serum. 10% niacinamide if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to leave the pictures somewhere on the screen for you guys to see. So with that out of the way, let's talk about how you use this serum. How do you use this serum? How do you begin usage? It's not just about buying a bunch of serums and all other serums. How do you start using the serums? Number one, you need to cleanse your skin. You need to wash your skin. And then apply 2 to 3 drops of any of the serums depending on the one you're using. A little goes a long way. You don't need to apply a whole lot or pour all the serums on your face. Follow with your moisturizer. And don't forget that SPF is key, especially if you're using vitamin B3, which is niacinamide, or vitamin C. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Now this is actually like a bonus tip. Drink lots of water. Eat glow boosting fruits. I've made a video talking about foods to try out for glowing skin. Avocados, berries, nuts, fresh fruits, and all that. Don't forget to stay consistent. Skincare is all about consistency. And if you're wondering what this reflection is, I am sitting in front of my window. The sun is actually disturbing me right now, but I really don't mind. This is what I go through for pushing content out for you guys. If you enjoyed this video so far, you'd want to see more skincare tips, beauty tips, do make sure you subscribe down below, give the video a thumbs up, and turn on your notifications so that you'll be the first to know when next I post a video. See you in another video. Don't forget that God loves you more than I do. Stay blessed and bye.